Hello, I'm Carrington Thompson from Tuskegee University, and my project was over molecular signals and auxin reporters. And basically, what we were trying to figure out is if auxin reporters are what causes the somatic embryo to know when to form and where to form. And with that, we will be able to know for crop production if there's a certain crop you want, you can repropagate that plant and regenerate it. So with that, somatic embryos, the first stage is callus. And so from there, we try to do an observation of day 7, 21, and 28. And then under the confocal microscope, we see these finger-like shaped cells growing. And so from there, you see it, after a certain amount of time, they seems like a really chaotic mess, but in actuality, the somatic embryos are really forming together to create something really great. And so under there, we have fluorescence of DR5 and a membrane marker. And as you can see here, we have the DR5 membrane marker and then the membrane marker. And we believe that the somatic embryos will begin to form right here in these areas. Although because of time restraints, we aren't able to get results. And so with that, we do believe that if we had 2 more weeks, we would have got the correct results. But we were able to get protocols, and we were able to see structures that we didn't know were even there. So that was my project.
Okay, well, great job. What were some of the methods that you learned during your REU project?
Some of the methods I learned during my REU project were mostly just a time restriction, like day 14, day 15, day 16. You would think that under that amount of time of 24 hours, there wouldn't be that big of a change, but in actuality, you can see major growth in these cells. So that was really able to tell us what was really going on under the conflict.
Right. I wonder if how does this REU program affect your decision for future studies?
Well, I come from Tuskegee, so I was able to bring my project from there to here, and it was really able to help me better understand what was I looking at. And so with the resources and facilities here, like the confocal, for example, I was able to really just break down what I needed to know so I can take it back to Tuskegee and just have an overall project to restart.
Well, you did a great job. Nicely done.